Today, we are going to explain the Magento 2 EU Price Indication Directive. It showcases the previous and updated price of the products to customers. It's protecting customers from misleading discounts and helps build trust also. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore the number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now let's move back to our video. We will go to the dashboard in the admin end and then click on Stores, followed by Configuration. Here, we can see the EU Price Indication Directive configuration. We can enable the module by choosing Yes. In this section, we can also apply the maximum duration, for example, 30 days. The text for field allows us to define what is displayed as the lowest price, which will appear on the product page. In the Customer Groups section, we can select the applicable customer types. Under the EU Price Indication Directive scheduled settings, we can set the frequency to daily, define the time, and save the configuration. The configuration is saved. Next, we will go to the Catalog in Product page. From here, we can add our products. Let's take the example of a watch. Currently, its price is listed as $99 as shown on the product page. Now we will change the price to $105. After updating, we will save and close it. So our product has been saved. Then we go to the customer end. Here we can see the previous price of $99 displayed along with the updated price. So that's all about the Magento 2 EU Price Indication Directive. So this is the functionality of this module. I hope you liked it. If you have any queries, contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest update.